healthcare workers struggling to reach remote communities after landslides in the hills. Supplies delayed by days.
How should we send blood and other medical supplies? Can't science help people when roads fail?
You're right to wonder, my friend. Science can, and it has. Let me take you on a journey, a mission where we use the sky to deliver life-saving hope.
This is Dr. V. Ramalingaswamy, one of India's greatest medical scientists. He led AIMS and ICMR, made breakthroughs in nutrition science and inspired generations of researchers. Today, he'll show us how science reached the remotest corners of our country by air.
In many parts of India, the problem wasn't the medicine, it was the delivery. Hills in Nagaland, isolated valleys in Manipur, traffic lanes in Delhi NCR, forested areas of Telangana, and long stretches of broken roads in Himachal. Reaching a vaccine, a blood unit, or even a biopsy sample on time could mean the difference between life and death. These were not just logistical problems. They were scientific questions, and scientists love questions. We began with a question: can drones help? But the road, or shall I say sky, wasn't easy. Drones lost their way in the mountains. Batteries drained too fast. Wind shear tossed payloads. Would blood remain stable? Would tissues stay sterile? Each test brought new problems. But we didn't give up. We partnered with innovators, field teams, DGCA and domain scientists. We learned to design cool boxes for vaccines, smart packaging for corneas, even triple containment for infectious samples. Across India, drones flew over forests, cities, rivers. Vaccines arrived faster. Surgeries resumed in time. Patients in remote corners didn't have to wait anymore. Science didn't just fly drones, it flew hope. And every problem we solved became a lesson for the future.
This is amazing. So scientists are like pilots of possibility.
And you, my friend, are the next co-pilot. Keep questioning, keep exploring.
Indian Council of Medical Research iDrone Initiative, taking science to the sky for every life that counts.